Good morning. May I have your passport, please?
Good morning. Yes, one moment. Here it is.
Thank you. Where are you flying today?
I'm flying to Madrid.
Do you have any luggage?
Yes, I have one bag.
Please put your bag on the scale. I'm sorry, but your bag is too heavy. You can have up to 23 kilograms, but your bag is 25 kilograms.
I understand. What can I do?
You need to pay a fee for the extra weight. It's 30 euros. Would you like to pay by card or cash?
I want to pay by card.
Thank you. Your flight is L845 at 11 a.m. You are in Terminal A, but your flight is in Terminal B at Gate 43.
Okay. I understand. And when does the gate close?
The gate closes 20 minutes before the flight. Boarding starts at 10:15 a.m. and the flight is at 11 a.m. You'll find this information on your boarding pass.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a pleasant flight.
Thanks. Goodbye.